In the heart of every city lies an unnoticed wave of life, an urban ecosystem where animals adopt, survive, and sometimes even thrive alongside humans. It's easy to overlook the presence of wildlife here, but sometimes, among the constraint and chaos, two species stand out: dogs and birds. These everyday companions of our streets play crucial ecological roles, often invisible to the eye. We pass by them daily, a dog curled up near a bus stop, a bird picking crumbs at a tea stall. In this documentary, we'll explore the survival strategies of street dogs and urban birds and their shared impact on city life.
Urban dogs are not aimless. They create networks of movement, recognize familiar faces, and remember their feeding spots. Their survival depends on their instincts or on difference of the people around them. The presence of dogs in neighborhood mirrors its levels of tolerance and resources availability. They find shelters in empty buildings or under strays or in temporary huts, mostly abandoned buildings. Many kinds of people in community feed them.
Birds nest in the most unexpected places on AC unit, broken windows. These are survivors constantly adapting to noise, light pollution, and shrinking places. But they are controls making them silent contributor to the health of our cities.
Birds are among the most adaptable wildlife in cities. From rooftop to electric wires, they use man-made structure as substitute for trees and cliffs. Urban birds serve vital ecological functions. They eat insect, pollutant plants, and disperse seeds and aiding urban greenery in the most sustainable way. Species like pigeons and cows have evolved to rely almost entirely on human resource. They are bold, intelligent, and efficient. Like pigeon and crow have evolved to rely almost entirely on human food resource.
Was a crowded market after lunch. You will see this silent choreography. Birds dive in third. Dogs circle patiently. While they rarely interact, they influence each other's feeding patterns. It is a living example of shared ecology shaped entirely by human behavior. In some areas, they even act as unintentionally allies. Bird alert dogs to food or danger.
Though they may seem unrelated, street dogs and urban birds share one vital dependency: human-generated waste. From leftover food at roadside stalls to open trash dumps, both species compete for scraps. Birds are quick to arrive. Crows and moina often reach first. Picking up the smaller bits, dogs follow, consuming what remains. This unspoken co-adaptation shows a unique overlap in urban ecology, where survival depends on what we discard.
Every day, many dogs die on road and birds suffer due to polluted air or loss of nesting areas. The urban ecosystem is tough. So survival here requires adaptation but also help. Together, we can make the city safer for all living beings.
Urban life is harsh. For street dogs, speeding vehicles and lack of chemical care mean constant injury risk. For birds, dangers include plastic ingestion and loss of safe nesting space. Noise pollution disrupts communication, light pollution confuses migration. Add to that the shrinking green areas and chemical waste, and survival becomes a daily struggle. Without intervention, many die young or live in chronic states.
At the conclusion, in our ecosystem, both dogs and birds play important roles. Birds help by spreading seeds, pollinating plants, and controlling insects. Dogs, though domesticated, assist in managing livestock and guarding property. Together, they show how animals, both big and small, help maintain balance in our nature. Despite the odds, street dogs and birds continue to live among us, adapting, contributing, and bearing silent witness to our urban choices. Their survival isn't just a story of resilience, it's a reflection of our urban ethics. Cleaner surroundings, responsible waste management, and community driven care can ensure safer, healthier lives for these animals. Trees, water bowls, and protected green spaces can turn concrete jungles into shared habitats. When we protect the most vulnerable lives around us, we build a city that's truly alive, not just for humans, but for every species. Dogs are not just an animal, they are our family. They teach us about love and learning.
About living in the moment.
We are eco explorers.
And we believe in better world, one paw at a time.
This planet is not just yours.
It's for all animals too.
Let's protect it together.